Hello, my friends. Some of you have been asking me if I know how to get my Canvas and my assignments and grades on that to talk with PowerSchool, and it's actually pretty easy, easier than you think. So I'm just going to put this quick video together and see if you can do it yourself. So it's really just a couple basic steps. You'll have to do it every semester when you start the semester over, but you have to go first to assignments. I have a lot of assignments in there. It's taken a while. So you notice over here on the right hand side where you see the three little dots. Click on that and see down here where it says import assignment groups. You're going to click on that. I'm not clicking on that because I already did it. And you may notice that if you've already made assignment groups in here, they probably look more like this. Okay, they don't have anything over here. Okay, so when your assignment groups get imported from PowerSchool into your Canvas shell, they look like this. They have a little, like an arrow and a piece of paper on it. And so once you get there, you're going to have to drag your assignments into the assignment area. Okay, and you're going to have to take your quizzes and drag it into the quiz group. Okay, and if you have any assessments or whatever you have, you might have yours grouped different than I do. My groups in PowerSchool are assessments, assignments, and quizzes. So depending on what yours is, how it will come in. Okay, then you can kind of do this cool thing here. I just kind of went one step further because my kids sometimes will look in PowerSchool in Canvas and see one grade and a different grade in PowerSchool because Canvas wasn't taking into account the different weights, how we weight our things. So if you want the two to be, if you want to get real fancy with it, if you come up here and click the little dots, no, I'm sorry, up here. You click on assignment groups weight, and you can tell it exactly what your weighting system is. This has to be the same thing you got in PowerSchool for it to be right. And then I just have these where I'm doing class videos. They don't count anything. And I've got some imported assignments. That doesn't count as anything. And hopefully it'll add up to 100%. Okay, so that's step one. Then to make the two talk to each other, when you're in grades and you've gone down through here and graded kids' assignments and you're ready for them to talk to each other, it's very simple. You just go to Actions, Sync to PowerSchool. Click. This comes up. Are you sure you want to? Yeah, of course. And they will go right in there. Okay, so that's all it is. Very quickly, 3-minute video. Now it's your turn to try it.